So here I have a Sony TV. It's a 65-inch, and it's having a black screen issue where it shows the logo and then automatically turns off. So I put it on the kitchen table here, and I'm testing it with the backlights because it's probably the issue. And the first one I'm measuring 121 volts on the first strip, and you can see that it's fluctuating, and that's usually not a good sign. I went to the second pin here, and I was measuring 118. So they're different voltage. Why is that? We should have the same voltage. So this is an indication that you probably have a bad backlight. And then the third pin, I was measuring 174. So they should be a bit all equal, and that means that we have an issue. So I took a picture of some of the parts, and just in case. But here we go. I put the screen off, and you have to use some suction cups. Then I have some LED tester, and as I was testing it, usually you have one or two broken lights, but this one really had a lot of broken lights on the strips here, and it just got worse the further I went down the rows there. And so to replace, this TV has about 200 LEDs, and about 100 LEDs were broken. So it's not really worth the repair. You'd have to order whole new strips and all that there. So this repair is not an easy fix. It does take about 4 hours. So it takes about 2 hours to disassemble and 2 hours to put it back together and all that, because you have to be very careful, especially with the screen there. I used some tape to tape the filter papers, but again, the screen is very fragile. Make sure you use suction cups and use the proper tools for this repair there. So thanks for watching, and all the best.